there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we put products head-to-head so you don't waste your hard-earned cash on junk. Today, we've got a battle of the bots. On the left, we have the iRobot Roomba 694, the cleaning companion that promises to make your life easier. And on the right, we have the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo, the multitasker that's here to vacuum and mop its way into your heart. Let's dive in and see which one of these bad boys deserves a spot in your home. First up, let's talk about price. The Roomba 694 will set you back $274. Meanwhile, the XIEBro combo is just a smidge cheaper at $269. That's right, folks. For the price of a fancy coffee and a muffin, you can upgrade to a vacuum that also mops. Score 1 for XIEBro. Now, let's talk design. The Roomba 694 boasts a sleek, premium look that'll make you feel like you're living in a futuristic movie. It's like having a tiny, stylish butler scooting around your floors. On the flip side, the XIEBro combo is more like that overly enthusiastic friend who shows up at your house with a vacuum and a mop, ready to clean everything in sight. It's functional but not exactly a runway model. Roomba takes this round. Moving on to cleaning features. The Roomba 694 comes with an auto-adjust cleaning head and adaptive navigation. It's like the vacuum version of Spider-Man, dodging obstacles and adapting to different surfaces with ease. But hold on, the XIEBro combo has a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop feature, a 250 milliliters dust box, and a 200 milliliters water tank. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. Plus, you can control the water output with an app or remote. XIEBro, you sneaky overachiever, you win this round. Let's talk about how you control these little guys. The Roomba 694 lets you schedule cleanings with the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant. It's like having a well-trained pet that actually listens to you. Meanwhile, the XIEBro combo offers app control, remote control, and voice control via Google Assistant. It's like having a personal assistant who's also a tech geek. More control options mean more fun. So, XIEBro nabs another win. How about suction power and cleaning modes? The Roomba 694 provides a solid, reliable clean every day, and it knows when to recharge itself. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness, especially for pet hair, though some mention it can be noisy and struggle with small obstacles. But the XIEBro combo? This thing has 1,600 pascals suction power with 3 levels of adjustment and a carpet booster function. Plus, it's got 3 cleaning modes: auto, spot, and edge cleaning. Reviewers love its strong suction and ability to clean thoroughly, but some note it can get stuck and might have some durability issues. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. XIEBro's got the edge here, folks. Finally, battery life. The Roomba 694 can run for up to 90 minutes before it heads back to its dock to recharge. Not bad, right? But then we have the XIEBro combo, which boasts a whopping 100 minutes in quiet mode. Reviewers appreciate its long battery life and effectiveness in cleaning both hard floors and carpets. It's like the vacuum that never wants to leave the party. XIEBro, you marathon cleaner, you win this round too. After diving into Amazon reviews, it's clear that both these products have their strengths. The Roomba 694 is praised for its reliability and effectiveness, especially for pet owners, though it has minor issues like noise and small obstacles. On the other hand, the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo is lauded for its powerful suction, versatility, and long battery life. But some users mention it can get stuck and might have durability concerns. Overall, both vacuums offer good value, but your choice will depend on your specific needs. All right, smart shoppers, it looks like we have a clear winner today. The XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo sweeps the competition with its multifunctional capabilities, superior control options, and longer battery life. But hey, if you're looking for a sleek, reliable, and stylish vacuum buddy, the Roomba 694 is still a solid choice. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below which one you'd pick. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart and living clean. Product links are in the description.